Assalamu alaikum, this is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, we have to set our page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then I have to select this from here, then I have to click on this box, then I have to press 3.5. Then I have to click on this box, then I have to press 2. Then I have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to unlock the layer, then I have to right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient only. Then select liner gradient from here. After that, you have to click on here, then have to click on the blues, then have to select this color from here. Then you have to unlock this layer again. After that, you have to select the pencil from here, then have to click on here, then have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then have to press and hold key, then you have to click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and here. Then select the move tool from here, then increase the display size, then select the pen tool from here, then click on here, then click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold key, then click on the anchor point again, then click on here and here, then click on the fill and select this color from here, then select the move tool. Then press and hold shift key, then increase the size of the shape, then decrease the size of the shape, then drag this shape in here. After that, you have to select this layer again, then press and hold key, then take copy from this layer. Then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here. Then I have to select this layer and double click on here, then select the blue color, then click on the OK. After I have to select the pen tool again, then I have to click on here, then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here, here and here. Then click on the fill, then select this color, then select the move tool. Then select this layer again, then press and hold key, then take over from this layer, then double click on here, then select the pink color, then click on the OK. After that, you have to select these layers, then you have to click on the lock icon, then you have to select these layers, then you have to decrease the size of these layers. Then you have to select this layer, then you have to click on here, then you have to right click on this layer, then you have to click on the wrap. Then you have to select this layer, then you have to click on the anchor point, then you have to right click on this layer, then you have to click on the wrap. So now you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Click on here, then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color, then you have to select these and click on the color, then select the black color from it, then click on the OK. Then click on the OK again. Okay. Now you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient only. Then click on here, then click on the blues, then select this color again. Then you have to click on here, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then click on the OK again. Then you have to rotate the color from here, click on the OK. Then you have to unlock these layers, then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color, then click on here, then click on the color, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient only. Then click on the OK. Then I have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option again, then click on the drop shadow. Now I have to select this layer again, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then select this layer again, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then I have to drag this in here, then select this, then drag this in here, then click on the OK. Now I have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on the drop shadow, then click on the OK. After that you have to unlock the background layer, then select this layer again, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on the reverse, then click on the OK. Unlock this layer again. After that you have to include the icons and write the text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After that, you have to select these layers, then you have to lock these layers, then you have to select these layers, then you have to lock this layer again. After that, you have to open the logo, so I am opening my logo from my PC. After that, you have to select this and press on Alt key and take it from this, then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then select this layer, then drag this layer in here, then increase the size of this layer, then drag this layer in here, then click on the tick mark. After that, we have to set this business card in the mockup, so I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here, then you have to select all layers from here, then you have to click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the project, then you have to unlock all layers from here, then you have to select all layers from here, then you have to drag these layers in here. Then you have to set the business card in here, then you have to press on plus S button on keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.